Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve the problem of this applications require DX11. It's so simple and easy, so let's start. Now for the first method, you just want to go to your Google Chrome browser. After that, select DirectX 11 and hit download. Now select the first link, which is from Microsoft, and then scroll down. Make sure to select the language you want and then select download. After that, it should start downloading right here. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Now when it finishes, just make sure to install the necessary files. Now for the next step, make sure to open your Steam launcher. After that, go to library and select collections. Now search for Counter-Strike and then go to the right and then click on the gear icon right here, which is manage on the right, and then select properties. After that, in the left menu, select installed files and then select verify integrity of game files. Just wait for a couple of seconds. It will recover any lost or corrupted file. After this process finishes, now the problem should be fixed and you can safely open the game again without any issue. If you find it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.